Is it time to buy or sell Aehr Test Systems stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Aehr Test Systems. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of December, 2024, our system has identified Aehr Test Systems as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of approximately 13.94% since we first recommended Aehr Test Systems as a buy candidate just 9 days ago. This results in an average return of about 1.55% each day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend upwards. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which could signify an early signal of a trend shift. During the reaction, there will be support at the peak of the current trend, which is at $16.38. This level may provide a second opportunity for a significant upward movement. According to fan theory, $22.36 will be the next potential peak level, acting as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 4.82% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 40.01% to negative 5.54%. As for the 12-month trend, it indicates a decrease of about 17.15% over the next year, with a possible return between negative 58.94% and negative 5.46%. This translates to a price range from $6.78 to $15.61 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Aehr Test Systems includes the headline: Aehr Test Systems stock price ended at $16.51 on Friday after gaining 1.35%. The Aehr Test Systems stock price gained 1.35% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 27th of December, 2024. The price rose from $16.29 to $16.51. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.99%, with a low of $15.46 and a high of $16.54. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 6 of those days and is up by 42.57% in the last 2 weeks. The trading volume fell on the last day by 654,000 shares, with a total of 1 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $16.8 million. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $27.91, while the lowest was $9.83. Currently, the price is 40.85%, or $11.40, below the 52-week high, and 69.48%, or $37.59, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of August, 2023, when the price peaked at $54.10. Aehr Test Systems Inc. is currently confronting significant challenges that could affect its stock price in both the short and long term. Recent reports highlight a considerable increase in legal actions against the company, specifically class action lawsuits related to potential securities fraud. Investors who purchased AEHR shares between January 9th and March 24th, 2024, are being urged to seek recovery for their losses. Multiple law firms have indicated that crucial deadlines are approaching, including February 3rd, 2025, for class lead positions. In the short term, the rise in legal troubles may lead to increased volatility in AEHR's stock price, as market sentiment shifts based on investor reactions to these lawsuits. If the market takes these allegations seriously, we could witness a further decline in the stock as investors exit to minimize their losses. Long-term implications may depend on the outcomes of these legal proceedings. Should the lawsuits result in significant financial penalties, AEHR could suffer damage to its reputation and financial standing, which may deter future investments and partnership opportunities. On the other hand, if the company successfully defends against these claims, it could stabilize its stock and potentially restore some investor confidence. Overall, close monitoring of AEHR will be vital as these developments progress. Let's discuss the analyst ratings for AEHR. On Wednesday, the 17th of July, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned AEHR a buy grade along with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 26th of March, 2024, Craig-Hallum rated AEHR with a hold grade and issued a downgrade action. Looking back to Monday, the 11th of October 2021, Craig-Hallum provided AEHR with a buy grade while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Aehr Test Systems stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book value as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Aehr Test Systems. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The stock of Aehr Test Systems indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During potential corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $14.74 and $12.56. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 15, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 53%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants close observation. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 29 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 9 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 32 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Aehr Test Systems. Aehr Test Systems finds support from accumulated volume at $16.02. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.08 between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 6.99%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 9.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Aehr Test Systems, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PEE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of January 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 3 cents. Pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Aehr Test Systems. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Aehr Test Systems is at $16.96. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Aehr Test Systems faces its first support level at $16.02. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Aehr Test Systems from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 2nd of December, 2024, Sue Chris conducted an insider sale of 348 shares of common stock. On the 1st of November, 2024, Salomone Alberto conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 27th of October, 2024, Spork Alistair N. conducted an insider sale of 132 shares of common stock. On the 27th of October, 2024, Rogers Vernon conducted an insider sale of 139 shares of common stock. On the 27th of October, 2024, Richmond Donald P. II conducted an insider sale of 102 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 53.42. Overall, insiders purchased 283,259 shares and sold 82,569 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.02, which reflects a decline of 2.98%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, further elevating this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 28 days ago. Is Aehr Test Systems stock a good buy? Aehr Test Systems exhibits several positive signals, and the recent break from the downward trend suggests a potential shift in direction. While this trend may not necessarily transition from falling to rising, it could stabilize or slow the previous rate of decline. We find the risk-reward profile to be appealing and anticipate that the stock will perform quite well in the short term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of December, we expect Aehr Test Systems to open lower by 34 cents, starting at $16.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.